Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. We're on the town of Mandeville and we're doing another exciting episode. Today, we're going to see if we can use $200. You get some lunch. Can we find a spot that will give us some nice, delicious food when we don't have enough money? Let's see what we can get at Mega Mart.
So let's go inside and check out this Mega Mart restaurant. First of all, what is this Mega Mart restaurant? Well, Mega Mart is this big supermarket and it has a restaurant that's attached to it. So after you go shopping, you can come and check out the menu. You can come and order breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Now, what can I order at Mega Mart for less than $200 Jamaican or for less than $1, a US dollar? I'm going to order a serving of rice and peas with some gravy. Yes. Well, some persons would say, where's the protein? Well, peas is protein, so this is like a vegetarian meal. I mean, like rice and peas is a complete meal, And plus, when you put some gravy on it, ooh la la, and you're going to get that for $120, especially if you're hungry on the town. That's less than a patty. That's practically half of a patty price. Because patty is like for $300 now. And you can come to Mega Mart and get a serving of rice and peas for $120 for less than $1 US. And you can get some curry chicken gravy. Well, to be honest, you could come and get some curry goat gravy, some curry chicken gravy, or some turkey neck gravy. But after we filmed this production and we went back, we were told that's no longer an option. You can only get the serving of rice and peas with some regular house gravy, which is just as okay, But when they used to have it where you could get the serving of rice and peas with some curry goat gravy, it used to slap way. Cause look here, you see, when you put a little bit of curry goat gravy on anything, it can take it from 1 to 100 easily. So that used to be a deal. Just a little bit of curry goat gravy on the rice and peas. Yo, it's a slap way.
So, imagine getting this for $120. You're extremely hungry. And you can get rice and peas with some curry goat gravy. Can you believe this for $120? So if you're hungry, you have underneath $200 and you need to get lunch.
We also got some rice and peas with some turkey neck gravy. And sometimes when they dish out the gravy, you might just get lucky and get a little piece of meat. Like, look at this right now. Lucky,
If you get lucky, you might end up with a few chunks of meat.
Tasted really good. Usually turkey neck gravy isn't really one of those things you would be quick to order, but this really tasted good. So I know they're not serving the rice and peas with the curry goat gravy and the turkey neck gravy anymore, but you can still go there and get it with the house gravy, which is still a good deal. For $120, it proper bad. So we have reached the end of another amazing video, and you know, so I have to share a Bible verse with you before you go away. Me can't just make you leave so without little blessings. Ecclesiastes 2 verses 24. A person can do nothing better than to eat and drink and find satisfaction in their own toil. This too, I see, is from the hand of God. Wow, this is a lot to unpack. I think right here Solomon is trying to say one of the best thing or one of the wisest thing a person can do is enjoy life and find satisfaction in their hard work. Because when you think about it, everything that you worked hard towards, or whether it be your house, your cars, it's going to be passed down to the next generation. So it's kind of meaningless. I take this scripture a little bit different. Have you ever wondered how you should feel towards yourself? Whether you should be happy with your accomplishments or not? Or the popular saying, be proud of yourself, I'm proud of this, I'm proud of that. And you just don't feel right. It doesn't feel right to be proud. Talk truth, man. You never hear people say, you must be proud of yourself, man. And I'm like, why am I going to be proud of myself when pride is a sin? This Bible verse tells us to find satisfaction with our hard work. And we should just do that. Being proud is like not recognizing God's hand in your life. You're not recognizing everything that God did for you, and you're more to put yourself on a pedestal. Like, I did this, I'm great. I did this, I'm great. So instead of feeling like you're great and looking on yourself as this superior person, find satisfaction in the work that you have done and recognize God's hand in your life, knowing that everything you did, it wasn't just by yourself, and that God was opening doors. Also recognize that other persons help you as well, your family member, your friends. Anything that is of worth takes more than one person to build. Many persons might ask, what's wrong with being proud? I can't be proud of myself, of all the hard work I've done. Well, the Bible also says pride goes before a fall. So most of the time when you act like you're big and you're bad and you don't recognize God or anybody else, sometimes a fall is waiting right behind the corner to humble you. So in short, what I'm trying to say, instead of being proud or have a proud attitude to all of your accomplishment, be satisfied with your accomplishment. Be pleased with all of your hard work. And that if you even fall down later on, it come in like nothing, because you never did go on like you're big and you're bad. You're like, okay, that's okay. And you just get up back, brush yourself off, and you keep pushing. And that's it. We have reached the end, and I'm now saying goodbye. So goodbye. Please press that like button, because the more you press it, it's the more YouTube is going to send my video out. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content like this. Enough things are gonna go on, me say. Enough things are gonna go on. Bye. One love.